Hello everyone. Sorry it's a little dark. Okay. It's like literally morning, but I'll open the curtains. The curtains. I don't know how you close the curtains though. What? Why do you always have to talk in every single video I make? Oh, there we go. Guys, that's so much better. I literally feel way better. Yeah. I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Sorry about that. It's just, I was, like, doing something. I was doing something. Well, anyways, guys, I'm going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain. So, yeah. Here it goes. Oh my god, so much advertising. This is my style, I rock. Oh, it's over. Oh, wait, I've sung this song by this person before. No. I let it fall in my heart as it fell. No rose to claim it. Oh my god. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. This is like too fast. My hands, they're strong, but this is too fast. Literally, I need to find another one. You know what? I'm not gonna. Yes, I'm gonna do this. Set fire to the rain. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. There, I found it. Floating in the air. I let fall my heart and it fell. Okay, yeah, you rose to claim it. Yes, this is actually, it's supposed to be like that. Guys, I was literally lying. Okay, to the game. To the thing. My hands, they were strong, but my knees, they were far too weak. To stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. Things you say, they were ever true. In the games you played, they would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as touch your face. It would burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When laying with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you said, they would always do, never change. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. And it burned, never cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Set fire to the rain and through us and into flames. Well, I felt something dark, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door and I heard You calling, must be waiting for you. Even now, when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I don't know. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last thing. Yeah, that was just a little bit off course. No, not even a little bit. That was a lot. But anyways, I hope you guys literally enjoyed this. What's this? I'm going to sing a couple Adele songs, okay? I'm going to sing The Rumor Had It right now.
Every Wednesday, two of Bravo's finest duel.
Every Wednesday.
Who is the better?
Okay. She ain't gonna be able to love you like I will. She is a stranger. You and I will have history, or don't you remember? Sure, she's got it all. Okay, no, you know what? I'm gonna sing this with Adele singing with me. This is the in your head in the clouds. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's better. Hopefully this isn't like okay. She ain't gonna be able to love you like I will. She is a stranger. You and I have history, or don't you remember? Sure, she's got it all, but baby, yeah, really what you want. Bless your soul, you got it all in your clouds. You ain't a fool out of you, and boy, she's bringing you down. Down, walk on the court. Now rumor has it she ain't gonna love you anymore. Rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, ooh, rumor has it, ooh, rumor has it. Is half your age, but I'm guessing that's the reason that you stray. I heard you've been missing me. You telling people things you shouldn't be. Like when you're out and she ain't around, haven't you heard the rumors? So in the clouds. I'm the one you're leaving her for. Rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, ooh, the rumor has it, the rumor has it, the rumor has it. whispered in my ear. Tell the story that I heard to you. Just 'cause you said it, I don't mean it. You'll say crazy things. Don't mean that I need you. Just 'cause you are it. Has it who? The rumor 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 has it. Rumor has it. The rumor has it. The rumor has it. I'm not even you for. Oh my god, that was such a perfect ending. But yeah. That was it for today's song. Comment down in the comment sections below telling me which song you want me to sing. And I will pick at least 1 or 2 choices for songs. So in videos, you just comment down below. Yeah, it could be any song. At least like on the radio, like right now or something. So unless it could be an old song that was on the radio, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Ooh, I know what song I'm going to sing next, but you can still comment. So, bye.